Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here, fill in the blank. 31 DAL equal to what HL and what DAL? Now we know DAL is decaliter and HL is hectoliter. Hectoliter. Now we have 10 DAL equal to 1 HL. With this knowledge, let's try to write 31 DAL as 30 DAL plus 1 DAL, because we need a multiple of 10 here in order to convert to HL and DAL. So this can be written as 3 HL plus 1 DAL. So 3 HL 1 DAL. We can write 31 decaliter as 3 hectoliter and 1 decaliter. So this is the answer.